Welcome guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how you can turn on the next song with your Huawei FreeBuds Pro 2. So at the first, just be sure that in the Huawei AI Live application, in the gestures, right here, this option is enable, pinch twice to use and to set the next song. If it is set up like that, it will not work, so you have to just make it like that. And it works the same for the right and the left one. So right now I have to cover this sensor like that, because normally we have to put into the ear, and to get the next song, just pinch twice like that. As you can see, we can go very simple to the next songs. Take a look, let me just catch focus. Okay, right here. It works like a charm. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, just remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.